Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your HUAWEI FreeBuds SE. So firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. And now, if you don't connect it automatically, just click on it at the device list. Now, if it didn't help you, we should make a soft reset. So put it to the charging case if you didn't. And now close the case, and right here we should have disconnect. We have it, now open it. And also you can remove it from the charging case. Sometimes you don't want to connect in the case. Now, if it also didn't help you, we should remove and add these headphones. So put it to the charging case. Now we should remove it, so click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android, forget the device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, don't forget to click pair new device, and after that press and hold this connectional button until this LED light starts flashing white. Here we go, we have it, and we can see it at the device list. Click on it, and we did it. Cool. Now, if all of these methods didn't help you, we should make a hard reset. So put it to the charging case, and now press and hold this connectional button until this LED light starts to be red. Firstly, it enters to pairing mode, and after that we should have a hard reset. Here we go, we have this red LED light, so release your finger and now remove your earbuds from the phone. Also, don't forget to click pair new device on your Android. And now we should see it at the device list. Click on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!